Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to remove fingerprint lock on iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to remove your iqoo mobile fingerprint lock, so how to remove fingerprint in this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how to remove fingerprint lock on iqoo mobile. Open your phone setting and first of all, after on phone setting guys, you can see this type interface on your iqoo mobile. So how to remove fingerprint lock. Friends, click on security setting and friends click on screen lock. And friends, you want to set your new screen lock, so you can set and you can change from here. Select here and friends enter your password. You want to set friends pin lock, so friends don't do any mistake, be careful, remember your password, because guys if you forget your password you will have to erase all data on your device. Friends, click on fingerprint lock, enter your password, and friends you have any pattern, so draw your pattern and next. And friends, you can see fingerprint lock list, and friends you want to add one more fingerprint, so you can add from here. So guys I want to remove this fingerprint, so guys I will select. Friends, first of all you want to rename your fingerprint lock, so you can rename your fingerprint lock and OK option, your fingerprint lock will rename. So friends, click here right side and delete option, and friends you can see yes remove. Friends, you want to remove, you don't want to use any fingerprint lock on your iqoo mobile. Friends, click on yes remove option. After remove guys, you cannot use fingerprint lock, you want to use. So friends, draw your pattern, enter your password, and again guys set your fingerprint lock. So like that friends, we can remove fingerprint lock on iqoo mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubts, so you can ask me in comment section friends. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.